Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Hi guys, today I'm gonna unbox something. So my friend got her Louis Vuitton new bag. This her second Louis Vuitton bag. So I'm gonna unbox mine because she finished unboxing hers. Unboxing her Louis Vuitton. Hi
Wow.
guys, I got this here in Unique. This is for beauty glowing skin. I'm gonna show you what's inside. So my friend unboxed her purse and so I had to unbox mine too. So guess what's inside? Guess.
It's beauty glowing skin.
You guess it right. Okay guys, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. I have
Ah.
20 pieces of glowing skin. My friend got
And
only
how much did you
one.
get that for?
I got it for,
How
it's
much
too
did you get that for?
expensive. It's 1995 euros. It's too much, guys, right?
How much is that in KD?
Well, I think it's like 18 KD. I know. So cheaper something in KD, okay? So, here you go, guys. I have to take this one day at each day that I'm here. So, I have this
Glowing
glowing
skin.
skin like the ate told me. Ha ha ha. Guys, I'm gonna continue this conversation after 2 weeks.
Okay.
Okay, when I have this glowing skin that I will show you.
Bye.
Bye.